Yo, check it out, right? For the 16 for 31 series, installment 18. Got a little treat for y'all. Give me a second. Don't forget I make beats too. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it gets better from here. Yeah. Fire mostly, yo, we blazing. Alert the town, alert the nation. We coming for everything, motherfucker, with no time for wasting. Keep it locked like Hastings with no patience. Trying to get through immigration with no dating. Feel my urgency, I be working, be harder than the work it be, till it be hurting me. Till it's time, all hustle, no hurting, G. I'ma kill everything, Three Stooges, certainly. Mine with Captain Kirk would be. Fish Taylor in the Mercury, like it's a foreign. Only think about scoring and world touring. Then think about this track I got in morning. Like the sunshine. Yeah, like the sunshine. Check it one time. One time. What? I got some shit for you. Live life to expand. Only think about grands. Just trying to stay away from hand to hands. And make sure that life isn't bland. And that a nigga never be a stand. Understand? Damn. 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 What? Yeah. I'ma get to it. You hear it? Wait for it.